For today's video, we are now in, what's this? Onisan. It's a municipality of Onisan, Quezon Province. I think this is, we traveled about 4 hours. My goodness, 4 hours bago namin narating. But it's worth it. Very beautiful. Ito ang kanilang lugar. Kasama ko yung reyna ng mga... And this is their, actually, yung pinaka-park nila ay nandito na sa tabi ng kalsada. It's beautiful. Ito ang kanilang volley park. And ito yung kanilang fish port. Fish port.
Anong lugar yun?
Ano yun? Lucena? Marapit na kami sa Marinduque pala. And the island which is obvious and visible from this port ay Marinduque. Ikita mo naman, beautiful, and people here, mga students, mga nagtatambay sila rito dahil masarap naman ang hangin. Mura daw ang isda dito, and we'll see. Still, maraming mga isda dito, at we can only hope. Look, the other side also is a port, a fish port. That's a beautiful port. This is actually a fishing village. Kita mo naman. And in this port, kita mo direktamente ang kanilang simbahan. The old church of the municipality of Onisan. And this is their bay walk actually. It runs about, I think this is 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers long. Bay walk nila. Kaya na talagang makita mo mga bata. Dito sila naglalaro, andito sila nag-i-skate, dito sila nagtatambay. Andito rin sila inaabutan ng gabi, of course. Masarap lang ang hangin dito. Masarap din yung they told us na maraming dito, mga isdang sariwa. And that's all for today. Don't forget to share and don't forget to like my blog. So I will continue to visit some places and some islands, some cities, and some municipalities, some barrios. So you will enjoy. Ciao.